I have yet to put together a full Advantech floor system. Today's the day we changed that. I'm really excited to get this thing down. We built a floor system a couple years back with double LVLs, 12-inch on center. Stiffest floor I've ever built. This is a traditional 16 on center with just a regular TJI, and I'm willing to bet that this floor will be stiffer with the Advantech floor sheathing and glue than the double LVL 12 on center. Get this one put in.
Yeah, we'll put that piece in.
And then slam one in here.
Yeah, just do the whole back side, I guess. Or we can only go so far over the back, huh? It's a lot.
Junior? I say go for it.
Okay, so that's down on the way.
Drop it.
Yeah, he's out of the way.
It's all floppy right there.
That's the Foxy I know.
Okay. All right. Good. Good.
You'll notice that our sheets always stagger. We have a break at 4 foot there. We stagger all of our floor sheathing a minimum of 32 inches, which is 2 bays, and roof sheathing is a minimum of 24, a single bay. Sluggy, sluggy. Keep on. One more back. floor already feels 10 times better than it used to feel. You guys working all day today?
Make sure some of these heads are down. Good. Good. We want to go in.
At the top. Flat out best for a quiet, stiff floor.
Flat out.
What are you paying for? That's good.
Out there.
We sheet the majority of our homes with 3 people. We have one person on a nail gun, we have one person packing sheets, and the third and final will glue and then use the sledgehammer to beat the sheets in to lock that tongue and groove together. For those of you that didn't know, floor sheathing is a tongue and groove material, meaning you have a tongue that locks into a groove to give it extra strength along that joint. The reason you use tongue and groove on a floor is to where you don't end up with deflection in between joists. The tongue and the groove lock together to give it strength from joist to joist so you don't notice any deflection in the floor system.
We're just running back and forth so much.
Nailing patterns on a floor and a roof are identical. We'll have 6 and 12 nailings, 6 on perimeter of sheet, 12 in the field. We'll talk more on that later if you're still confused. The nails that we're using on the floor system are 2 3/8 ring shanks. They have rings going down them to prevent them from pulling out of the sheathing, which will cause squeaks. You can see those nails up in the top right hand corner. The ring shank nails paired with the subfloor adhesive that we're using from Advantech is going to guarantee that we will not have problems with this floor system whatsoever.
Hold on, spin it. Refilm it.
This is for the extra. No squeak.
Go like that.
I did too. I never liked it. I hated it. Sucks to work. Good. walls.
So today we spent the day getting the rest of our blocking done. We had a couple structural details, some strapping blocks that needed to go in. We got everything taken care of this morning, and then we started sheathing out the floor. It went well. The glue goes down super quick out of that little gun. I have a 2-foot gun. Unfortunately, I didn't clean it out too good last time I used it. I need to take it home, clean it out, and then we'll have a 2-foot gun. But we got all of our sheathing down today. Everybody on site was super impressed with how good this stuff lays down. A lot of you guys were asking how Jay's been doing. Jay's been working on a really rad custom. I actually bid the project as well, trying to get it, but we lost it to a good friend of ours. It was a 4-story beach house. Needed to be demoed, remodeled, and a bunch of other work done to it. We didn't get it, a good friend of ours did, and that's where Jay's been. But Jay's gonna be out here helping us get the rest of this sheeted, and then helping us plate and detail and banging these walls up top. But it is Friday, that means it's payday. Everyone wants to get home a little bit early. We don't have a problem with that whatsoever. We ran out of sheathing as well, so I've got what we've got down, and that's it. I still need to get my wall sheathing and the rest of my floor sheathing. That'll be coming on Monday morning. We'll get the rest of this sheeted out, continue to snap out, and then plate, detail, frame the second story, and we're up top on the roof. But that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. We are going to have a couple separate videos on the Advantech floor sheathing. I want to explain some things about it, the warranty that it's got, how good it does sitting out in the weather, applying it, the glue, and much more. So stay tuned for that. I'll see you guys next time. Bang on.